IaaS. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service and is a form of cloud computing that provides computer, server, storage, network, and other infrastructure resources over the internet. Rather than a company buy their own IT infrastructure up front and build their own data center, they simply rent the infrastructure they need, such as servers, from another company that has their own data center and access them remotely over the internet. As the infrastructure is accessed over the internet and not stored on site, it is referred to as being in the cloud. Examples of this include Microsoft's Azure and Amazon Web Services. So why would a company want to rent infrastructure from another company rather than have their own data center? One of the main reasons is cost. Building a data center and buying servers and all the networking equipment needed, plus maintaining it, can cost millions of pounds. Renting it monthly is much cheaper and requires very little startup costs in comparison, which is particularly useful to startup companies and other small businesses. Another reason is scalability. If your business needs to expand rapidly and you require more infrastructure such as more servers ASAP, it is much quicker to simply rent them from an IaaS provider than increase the size of your on-site data center. In the same way, if your business is scaling down and you have purchased a huge amount of infrastructure, you are now stuck with this. If you are renting the infrastructure from an IaaS provider, you simply stop renting them and therefore stop paying for them. Another reason companies choose IaaS providers is maintenance. The company that provides you with the infrastructure are responsible for the maintenance of their data center that it's stored in. You don't need to hire additional staff to visit the data center if there is a hardware issue on the infrastructure you're renting. It's on the IaaS provider to resolve this. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing if you found this video useful.